Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone. This video might be interesting for you. Today, I introducing one of the application, and that application name is iCareFone. Phone transfer and clean your data very smart way. In this video, we will see how to download and what is the advantage of this application. Let's check it out. My iPhone screen is here. I just simply enter here in the App Store, search here iCare phone transfer and clean. I already added this application link in video description. You click and come to the directly here. After that, just simply open here. Look at this here, iCare. I just simply give it to all the permission. Photo management, help you organize your album very efficiently. Wi-Fi transfer, simple and fast data transfer like iPhone to Mac. Scroll here. Intelligent cleaning, smartly and quickly free up space on your device. It's interesting. Just simply click here. The subscription price is here. Go back. The first way here, if I tab here, swap or delete, swap, right, switch photo, the basic information is here. Afterward, here the recycle bin. If you recently deleted photo, so the deleted photo is showing here. The photo presenting look like impressive. Wi-Fi transfer, this is the Wi-Fi transfer, the wall IP address related information. Afterward, organize, cleaning, full clean, continue, not now. Look at this here, intelligently clean all the information. Similar photo is if some duplicate or similar photo is available on your photo gallery, so you can very easily delete all the photo. Look at this here, similar photo is showing, just simply clean. Blur photo is also showing here, automatically blur. Screenshot and some other, if you have multiple photos, so automatically clean. Even the calendar item is showing here, all the calendar item. Old one, if you want, select this one or unselect, I say especially, and just simply clean. So all photo, similar photos, blur photos, screenshot, live photos, GIF images is automatically delete using this intelligent cleaning. That one is really impressive features they are introducing. Wi-Fi transfer, and here some other information is showing here. Face recognition is also available. You can set the password of this particular application. Then here all photos, private photos you can copy here, private album, private files, private contacts as well. So without your permission, no one can recognize this data. Here the file management information is showing. If you have some sample files, video, music or documents, you can store here. Performance test, you can test your performance via internet, speed of your internet. So look at this here, performance test is going on. Download speed, upload speed and ping speed scanning is going on. So look at this here, download speed is 10.84 MB, upload speed is a 16 and ping speed is a 59. Click and boost, you can boost the internet speed as well using this process. So 6% you can increase your internet speed. Organize large file, if you have large file. Even the video compression is also available. You can compress the video size and after that you can use very easily. So this is the features of iCareFone phone transfer and cleaning application. If you have any question related on this application, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.